Hello, it's me, Mr. Burkhart. This is what we did on Monday, Tuesday during 100% online learning in STEM physics for 1/4 and 1/5. We did a Jamboard. You missed it. We looked back at what we did last year. So I basically took everybody and I reminded them that when we do work on Canvas, we click on modules, we click on modules, we click on modules. We don't click on grades. Grades are going to show us grades, but they're not going to take us to the work. And then in week 5, we watched a superhero video. It wasn't really a superhero video. It was an impulse and momentum video that showed us why we can't land as a superhero without hurting ourselves. And then there was a Nearpod with 3 questions to answer, a practice quiz that would get you ready for this real quiz. Last time we met in December was about math problems. And then we, what did we do? Let me go back to I gave everybody 10 minutes to power wash their Chromebooks, which is not really using soap and water at all, but it's a process where you clean out the memory caches on your Chromebook so that they operate better. I sent a link to a video that Tracy Burbeck made, and I just gave everybody 10 minutes to do it. And then we looked ahead at what was happening this week, which would be week 6. In week 6, we're going to learn about concussions, the medical condition of getting your head hit really hard and having a concussion. And then there's some questions to answer. You can take the quiz piece of it as many times as you want to until you get a great score. And then we have a project. So you need to go into Timberline and pick up a little bag of materials because we're going to design and make a helmet to protect an egg. And that is the egg is representing the brain of the human, and your helmet is your helmet. So this week you need to hand in a design. You make a design on paper or on the computer and upload it. You need to go to the library and get a bag of stuff. There is a video here that shows you what the stuff is. I already made that video. It's already on YouTube. You do need to provide your own chicken egg and a heavy object such as a big rock or a 15-ounce can of food or something. We're going to make the helmets next week. And the last thing we're doing this week is a one-pager. There it is, a one-pager, not on frogs. The examples on frogs, it just shows you what they look like, what all the things are that are supposed to be on a one-pager, but we're not making a frog one. And here are the directions. Please read them. And that was what we did. That's what I talked about in class. And then the last thing we did is we played a quizzes review game, which you can find if you want to play it. Oops, I clicked on grades. That's not going to take me where I want to go. Look, 10 people have already done the one-pager. That's cool. If you go to the weekly planner, this is where I keep all the links and stuff. First, the week, I'm making a little weekly planner now. It tells you when to do things so that you don't get behind. And you can see there's a link to the quizzes game, so you can go play it if you want to. If you missed it, it doesn't count for credit, but you can really see how smart you are. There you go. And that is what we did.